we'll guide you through how to fix the Photoshop scratch disk error. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, try clearing Photoshop's cache. To do that, you head to the top left and click on Edit, and then go down to Purge and click on All. Then says this cannot be undone, continue. If you're sure, click OK, and it'll then go and clear Photoshop's cache. Next, the problem may be because you're lacking storage on your computer. To go and check this, just come to the bottom and click on Search and type in Storage, just like so, and open up Storage Settings. And you can then go and see how much space you've got free. I've got plenty space here, but if you don't have a lot here, then that could be the reason why Photoshop's running into the problem. It simply doesn't have enough space. If you are lacking space, you can do some simple things like clearing temporary files. So click in here, and then what you can do is click on Remove Files. And alternatively, you want to close off your settings, come to the bottom and click on Search, type in Run, and then you'll get this pop-up and you just type in temp like so, and it'll open up your temporary files. So I'll just drag this in on my window, and what you can do is delete everything in here. So what you can do is press Control A to highlight it all, then you can right click and click on delete just like so, and they'll then all be deleted. If you get anything like that, then what you may need to do is go and close off Photoshop like so, and then click on try again, and it should let you. Some of the files you may need to skip over because you can't go and delete them. And if that still hasn't fixed your problem, then try closing some programs which are open on your computer, because Photoshop may be lacking RAM. And if you've got a lot of applications open, that could be why. I hope one of the solutions in this video solved your problem.